Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to your final maths lesson of the week and your final lesson on maths. For the warm-up today, we would like you to read these scales carefully. If you need them, they are bigger on the Padlet so that you'll be able to see the scales clearer. Pause the video, read the scales, write down the maths, and then come back when you're ready. Well done, Year 2. So this scale here is 40 kilograms. This one here is 70 kilograms. Here we have 700 grams, 400 grams, 500 grams. And this one here is a little bit tricky. It was halfway in between 500 and 600. So it's 550 grams. Well done if you got all of those correct. Your first challenge today is to solve this practical problem involving maths. There is 4 pieces of fruit that have been put on the scales. We would like you to write the mass of each piece of fruit with the correct units, grams or kilograms. We would then like you to order the fruits from lightest to heaviest. Once you've done this, come back and we'll go through it together. Hello again, Year 2. So we can see from the scales that we have got an 80-gram apple, halfway between 50 and 60. Now, if I check on my number line, I will find that it is 55 grams for the lime. Halfway between 60 and 70, we've got 65 grams for the satsuma and 40 grams for the plum. So on each line, I can write the correct weight. 80 grams. And then I've got a lime, 55 grams. Then I've got my satsuma, 65 grams. And finally, my plum at 40 grams. Now it's really easy for us to use our place value to work this out in order from lightest to heaviest. So we've got 80 grams, 55 grams, 65 grams, and 40 grams. We can use our place value to order these. So looking at my tens column, I can see that 4 tens is the smallest, therefore the plum is the lightest. After this, I've got 5 tens, so my lime comes as next lightest. Then I've got 65 grams for my satsuma, 6 tens and 8 tens for my 80-gram apple. So my order is going to be plum as the lightest, lime as the next, satsuma, and then apple. There's my order from lightest to heaviest. If you fancy a challenge, you could pause the video now and work out the weights of 2 of the fruits combined. So today we are going to be practicing our weighing skills, our skills in finding out the mass of different objects. On the Padlet, you will find a variety of questions for you to work through. You need to pick one and then use all of your learning from this week to solve the problem and justify your answer. You can use number lines, your balance scales, any equipment that you might need to help you prove your answer. Some of them include adding and subtracting, and a couple even involve multiplying and dividing. It's worth having a go as many as possible, but we would expect you in class to complete 3. Make sure that you justify your answer using the word because and show the maths behind the learning. This way we will be able to see that you've really grasped the concept. On the Padlet, you will find a variety of questions. There are some slightly simpler questions to get you started if you're not feeling very confident. There's 3 here that you can have a go at. After that, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more questions for you to have a go at, proving your answers and justifying your response. Make sure you use the scales to help you and then use all of your known methods in order to solve the maths. Once you've done these, please email them to us on the Year 2 address. We can't wait to see how you get on with them. And if you need any extra help, you can always look back at the lesson videos from this week to help you. Good luck. We'll see your work soon on email. Have an amazing Flexible Friday tomorrow, and maybe you'll even do some investigation about maths of things in your household. See you later, Year 2. Bye.